Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down list in Looker Studio. And so all we got to do is add a control, drop-down list, and we can move this to wherever we want. And so we can see right here that it's populating as state. And so this is coming from our control field, but right now we'll take a look at state. And we can click on it and see that all of our states are populating. If we click on something like Nevada, our campaigns from Nevada pop up. So if we have multiple campaigns like a baseball campaign, a basketball, all those are going to populate underneath the state of Nevada. So let's go back and let's take a look at if we highlight all of these. We can change our control field so where instead of state we want to focus on our campaign. So we go over our campaign, it now changes to rugby, soccer, all of those different things. And so that's a great way to see. If we click on soccer, it's going to show just soccer. And as we can see right here, it's sorted right now by conversion rate. And so let's say we want to change this to where it's sorted by something like clicks. So we go over to our metric over here, click on it. We go to clicks, and now we go back to our drop-down menu, and we can see that it's sorted by click. So we can get a quick glimpse of what's at the top, and we can sort of sort it that way. So we click on soccer, again everything populates. If we have multiple campaigns of soccer that are from different states, we'll be able to see that. And so this is just a quick way to organize our data, be able to find certain campaigns or anything like that. Super quick, very helpful. We'll be creating more videos like this that shows different controls that we can add. So make sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.